All right, we back again, day 4, and it's coming along. It is coming along. So we're gonna just continue where we picked up off. Keep reading the instructions. Like I said, got instructions right here. So next thing we gotta start doing is cutting coolant reservoir. So I don't know if you guys can see that through the angle, but you gotta start cutting shit, making room for that blower. So let's get right to it. All right, so intake's out. Coolant drain. So next, I gotta take the coolant reservoir out, take the upper radiator hose out, and I think it said counterclockwise, loosen up the tensioner, and taking the belt off. And I mean, it's almost. I mean, it's definitely not turning back. So we're gonna cut off this guy here. So it'll be clean cut. Make room for the new tubes. So I'll take care of that real quick. Now if my shit blow up,
this is going on YouTube?
yeah. If it blows up, it's your fault.
No, it ain't.
I got you on camera messing my car up.
Oh, man.
Stripping bolts and shit.
I'm not stripping nothing. Kyle's doing that. Kyle's the supercharger master.
Never done this before in my life.
ProCharge Hellcat?
Don't lose these.
Not yet.
Yeah. Don't lose these. No more snapping bolts.
But when you want to go back to stock because you lost to an NA 2014.
You talking about that thing over there?
One more.
You're fired. You're too slow.
You're fired.
I'm doing my best.
This is your opportunity to promote yourself for KD Customs, and you're failing right now.
I'm already hired. I already worked there.
All volunteer work?
Actually, not. Cameron took my job, actually. Kyle don't call me for help no more. He just got Cameron.
Said 2085 is on there.
No. Kyle.
What?
Those studs.
What studs?
How do we tighten those studs up?
What studs?
It's the bottom 2 studs, remember?
They tighten when you tighten the bolt down.
Alright, that makes sense.
When you tighten the bolt down. This is probably like 12 or 13.
It's not a 10?
No. Leave it 13.
See that? 3.6.
Show them what it say on the top. What's that say?
Gap.
What's that say?
Gapplebees. Nobi.
What's that say? Gap Kyle?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, mount her up.
Took the bolts out already?
Yeah, we took all the bolts out. Woo! That thing's shiny.
This one goes up here. Spin it. Yep. Just like that. We can cut that tab off.
Which one?
Can you? Oh, you did cut this one.
Yeah, this one.
We might have to cut a little more.
Alright.
Pull the belt tight on that side. Same.
Yeah, Sam, you keep pull up the belt on this side.
Like that?
Alright, that's good.
You think this is gonna start cutting through shit?
We'll tie it back. Spin it a little.
So now,
Does this shit clear the hood?
I gotta take the thing off.
This
The slack thing, yeah. It like barely just clears it. You know, so now I can say I'm boosted now. Yeah. I can say I'm boosted now.
installed by Kyle and Samuel.
Push it down.
Down?
Yeah.
Can't move it. There's both. Yeah. Sorry. Hey, well, it's pretty damn close to the wires though. 'Cause these lines go
The harness?
Yeah. Pretty damn close.
Yeah, we're gonna have to move those. It's just a zip tie. Cut that zip tie, move it out.
Oh, yeah, right.
That one you're holding, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just leave the belt there for now until I tighten this up. Once I tighten up the blower,
Okay.
then we can put it on.
Yeah.
Got the blower mounted.
Yeah, cause I had to lift that shit up. I'm boosted, bitch.
Can you get to that bolt?
Not really.
No?
Which one?
The one that Kyle's trying to get to?
Was it under the blower? That means you next, right, Sam?
Huh?
So that means you next, right?
Yeah. You see that slow 5.0 over there? This is my car. I'm gonna give him a tour of my car. All right, y'all, I'm about to give y'all a tour of my car. We got the 2014 S197 here. This one's next for the Paxton. You know, Bruce ain't got shit on this car. You know, we got the carbon fiber hood. Got the RTR wheels. It's a little dirty. Don't judge. Right now we got the 2018 manifold, got the cold air intake, injectors, off-road X pipe and a tune. Show y'all a little bit. How you feel?
I feel fast.
I just showed them my car.
What they say about it? They said that shit was trash.
They said it's gonna beat yours.
Oh, yeah?
Without a Pro Charger.
Whoa, who's that?
The fans.
No. You said something about
Do
a
you
Pro
have
Charger.
a 14?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know who the fuck is Pro Charger.
Me neither. Alright guys, we made a small mistake. So we had to take the blower all the way off. We actually put one of these little spacers in a bad spot. But yeah, main man Kyle over here.
You got Kyle here, it don't matter.
Yeah. And Kyle we trust. So now we just gotta tighten up the rest of the blower bolts. We already got the belt pretty much routed through.
You put the belt back on?
Yeah,
Almost.
almost.
Oh, I was gonna say.
It's all routed. You just have to go on.
Now we gotta tell Seth now, like, yo, you need a little Paxton on your shit.
I think this lawnmower will take you.
It probably will. I thought I was gonna drop my whole motor.
Let me put the, in the box.
They're not ready.
15?
Yo, what are you doing, yo?
I was getting warm.
What
I was getting warm.
So now he's slipping the pipe over the bench. That shit.
Wait, need more? Nah, it's the wrong way. You gotta turn the thing.
Alright.
Need more. Need more. Put that down.
Now throttle body's going back on.
Slide all 4 of them through there.
You know what we should do? We should just put the spacer on with the throttle body.
Yeah, that probably would have been a good idea.
That's good.
This one's gonna be a pain to get to. Go ahead, Sam. Talk to him, Sam. What's going on here?
Put it back together. Slightly larger clamp. I think it was in that box that he had over there.
Which one?
Let's go slightly bigger clamp than this one.
Intercooler is ready to go in. Piping done by Sam himself. You know, no instructions needed. Make sure you tell him that. No instructions.
No instructions.
I bought everything. You know, it's like a puzzle. So I tell people, cars is like a puzzle. It's like Lego.
So now,
Put the shit together.
so now I can say I'm boosted. I didn't say it was running. I can say I'm boosted now.
Yeah. That's good.
I have to put the intercooler on, loosen this up, modify some hoses.
The bigger one?
Huh?
Find it?
Sam, we almost done, man.
Yeah.
It's hard work and dedication right here. Sam didn't break no bolts. I didn't break no bolts.
Don't speak too soon, motherfucker.
Oh.
That's it, Poppy.
Let me see, Bruce.
What are you doing?
Get over here. All you hear is squeaking over here.
Huh? I'm squeaking like Squidward?
Squeaking like SpongeBob's boots.
Where's the new hose?
I don't know. Take that.
Where the hose at? Right here.
Where do you want to route this, KB? You tell me.
Under everything.
We're gonna go under here. Just it can't be in the way of the belt, so come through here. Up to the front.
Shit. Hold on.
I hope. Yeah, perfect. That's literally perfect. It's actually a little too long, but it's fine.
So it's too long.
Yeah, it's fine.
Better. I mean,
It's
yeah.
long, ain't it?
I'm gonna need that one when you're done.
Come on.
6.5 hours later.
Every time Sam does something, it always finds something breaks. Everything cracks and makes squeak noises.
I did break it. What are we doing, Bruce? What happened now?
Hello?
I'm talking to your air
Paxton,
filter.
Paxton, that you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm ready for him.
We're almost done. Just figuring out this stupid ball valve.
Why's he got hold it?
Why'd you come so stupid?
Just fuck this ball valve.
Sounds like
You
an
got the
NA.
coolant. Did they see the coolant reservoir? I don't think they saw it.
I don't know. Probably not.
That stupid ass wallpaper. We got the coolant reservoir in. All the coolant hoses rerouted, clamped all. Just needs coolant and this ball valve, and we have to figure out the catch can. Got a breather on this side. Got the JLT over here that has to go back on here, so this is going to be open for a little bit. Unless you want to go to AutoZone and get another breather.
It's probably closed now.
I don't think we're starting it tonight, sadly.
I should have did it earlier before I got home.
I don't think we're starting it tonight.
You know what that means? I'll be on YouTube all night listening to Paxton dynos,
Yeah.
all kind of noise.
Are you going on a dyno or are you just on straight tuning?
No, I want to go on a dyno.
I think Billy said he has like access to a dyno or something.
Yeah,
like
he
that.
did.
Yeah.
For me, especially with a
It's gonna
boosted,
cost a lot though.
I'd rather it cost a lot and my car get fully tuned on a dyno than
Yeah.
going 130 miles an hour on the street with a boosted car.
Yeah, fourth gear wide open is gonna be pretty fucking fast in this now.
God forbid something go wrong, and it's gonna. I'd rather go wrong on a dyno than on the street and kill somebody. Fourth gear definitely hit 150.
Fourth gear 150, you're smoking. Not in this. Oh damn, your gears are gonna be fucking long. You got the 331 still?
Yeah, that's why I told you. That's why I kept them
That's why you kept them?
for the boost. Now
Now it's gonna be perfect.
all the gears are gonna drag out. 40 rolls gonna
Yo,
drag.
I'm interested to see how bad you're gonna gap me now. Like, it's gonna be a buses, like a good bit of buses.
I'm like afraid to run it because I feel like it's gonna be fine, but I know as soon as I race somebody, something's gonna go wrong.
We'll
But,
see.
I mean, I don't want to think negative either.
The only thing I've heard about people having issues with these is the belts.
And look how close the belt is to everything.
Yeah, it's a little sketchy, but it'll work.
See, if I was gonna top mount blower, like
You confused, buddy?
like Kyle over here.
I think Kyle's confused.
I'm not confused. I just want to
He's loading.
find a nice way to run it so that
He's
there's not much
focused.
shit.
You know what it is? He's getting prepared for when he gets his S550. He already know what to do.
See if you can clip that clip on there and then just boop. Can this go on here? Clip
I'm
that.
just gonna put this one on there.
Alright.
Ain't that right, Kyle?
I ain't getting an S550.
And then
He's getting prepared.
we put this here. And then we put la bolt in there. And done.
I don't think the install was really that bad. It's just a lot of.
You act like it's not almost 10 o'clock.
I mean,
See,
yeah.
This is gonna stick up in here like that.
It's
like that.
fine.
It's not fine.
It's
if
fine.
this is gonna hit the hood, then
Have
this
you
is
seen my
definitely gonna
fucking...
hit the hood.
Yo, is this shit recording? Why is it black?
It's recording. If it's flashing red, it's recording.
Why is it black? The screen's black. Oh, I'm a dumbass. The screen just turned on.
Yeah.
It's still recording. Bro, go look at my manifold. My shit's sticking up. It don't matter. Don't look at me like that, guy. Don't shake your head.
How high is it gonna sit up? I didn't look at it.
Like if I was to put this here and connect this hose to it, it's gonna sit up in the air like this.
We got zip ties.
And that doesn't even fit on there, so I need a different hose anyways.
Use that hose.
Yeah, take this shit and stretch
I'll
it
use
out.
this one.
Damn, what the hell's going on?
Leave that shit.
Sub-Zero 5-0.
I was. I changed now.
He Bruce 5-0 now. You show them the skinnies yet?
Yeah.
My boy got the 4 stars. Yeah, you need to do something to this rear end. This rear end's looking kind of ugly.
Well, you might be seeing it a lot, so you might.
Fuck you.
Never know how it's gonna look.
Fuck you. You need some euros.
I told you to do some euros.
You need some euros.
I want.
Some euros and a deck lid. Watch yourself.
Shake it fast.
Kyle's the king of cutting himself.
Yeah.
Every time I work on some shit with Kyle, damn, I cut my hand open.
Look,
Yeah, show him the knuckles.
a couple times today.
That's hard work and dedication.
Yeah,
It's not even his car.
yeah.